Jobsite Talk with Brad, Superintendent.
We're hogging out next week. You call blue stakes yet?
Hogging out and blue stakes? That makes no sense until you hear the translation, so here it is. First of all, hogging out means excavation. So you might hear an excavation contractor say, I'm hogging dirt. Okay, they're digging a hole and moving the soil out. All right, so that's hogging out. Then what is blue stakes? Well, before we even put a bucket in the ground, we are required, usually by law, to make sure we know what the underground existing utilities look like. Okay, so we don't strike them. If you strike a utility, first of all, it could be a significant safety hazard. Second of all, it could severely disrupt an entire community if you break the line. Okay, so we need to figure out what those look like. That's called a blue stake request or calling blue stakes. All right. Usually in the United States, that phone number is 811. Okay, so you call 811, you get a utility locate request, and the public utility comes out, and with spray paint and flags, they mark where they think the utilities are underground. Okay, now those are public locates. If you're on a private site outside the public right-of-way, you also need private locates to understand if there's a fiber optic line, for example, in this private location, because you don't want to hit those either. So it is critical and often the law to figure out what the underground utilities look like. Calling blue stakes or a blue stake request is that 811 phone number, typically, to get the utilities out to do that. Okay, let's watch the video again, see if it makes sense.
We're hogging out next week. You call blue stakes yet?
We cover several topics on utilities and earthwork in the course How a Building is Designed and Built. We also talk about risk, liability, differing site conditions in the course Project Manager's Playbook for Construction. If any of these topics sound of interest to you, please check out these on-demand online courses.